Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in ES6 challenges. Compare scopes of the where and let keywords. When you declare a variable with the where keyword, it is declared globally or locally if declared inside a function. The let keyword behaves similarly but with some extra features. When you declare a variable with the let keyword inside a block, statement or expression, its scope is limited to that block, statement or expression. For example, where num array. Here num array dot push I we used in the for loop, and when we console log num array we get the return 0 1 2, and when we console log I then we get return 3, which is declared inside the for loop. With the where keyword, I is declared globally. So when I plus plus is executed, it updates the global variable. This code is similar to the following, where I is declared outside. This behavior will cause problem if you were to create a function and store it for later use inside a for loop that uses the I variable. This is because the stored function will always refer to the value of the updated global I variable. For instance, in this case, print2 will refer to the global variable I. As you can see, print num2 prints 3 and not 2. This is because the value assigned to I was updated and the print num2 returns the global I and not the value I had when the function was created in the for loop. The let keyword does not follow this behavior. When we use let print num2, then here we can see return I is not defined, and here we will get return of 2. I is not defined because it was not declared in the global scope. It is only declared within the loop, the for loop statement. Print num2 returned the correct value because 3 different I variables with unique values 0, 1 and 2 were created by the let keyword within the loop statement. Let's see the task for this challenge. Fix the code so that I declared in the if statement. I declared in the if statement is a separate variable than I declared in the first line of the function. Be certain not to use where keyword anywhere in your code. This exercise is designed to illustrate the difference between how where and let keyword assign a scope to the declared variable. When programming a function similar to the one used in this exercise, it is often better to use different variable names to avoid confusion. So let's declare. We use let here and we use where here. Console.log block scope I is this and function scope I is this. So let's run the test. Okay, we have to remove anywhere. So let's run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.